of how minifix connector works. Follow this throughout. This is nylon socket. Place the nylon socket in its respective place and knock it with the soft hammer. This is the minifix screw. Fix the minifix screws in their respective nylon socket with the help of the given screwdriver. This is the minifix housing. Make sure the minifix housing is perfectly mounted in its hole. The arrow in the minifix housing must be facing the hole in the side of the board. Place the dowel in the hole opposite to the minifix housing and knock it using the soft hammer. Now, while fixing, make sure the mini-fixed screw is perfectly mounted. Rotate the mini-fixed housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. This is the difference between mini-fixed screw is unlocked and lock. How to install magnetic push opener. Pick the respective board and attach the push opener mounting bracket. Make sure side with the inward extension faces the smooth edge of the board. Tighten it with the given screws using screwdriver. Now attach the magnetic push opener to mounting bracket, the E, as shown. Make sure you hear the tick sound. Make sure the magnet side are facing the smooth edge of the board. Now attach the magnetic push opener for boards 1, 5, and 8. Pick board 6 and attach the drawer slider with the given screw using screwdriver. Make sure the holes are aligned and tighten it with the given screws using screwdriver. Pick board 7 and attach the drawer slider with the given screw using screwdriver. Make sure the holes are aligned and tighten it with the given screws using screwdriver. Pick board 2 and attach the auto hinges. Soft close with the given screws using screwdriver. Pick board 15 and attach the auto hinges soft close. Pick board 1 and attach board 2. Rotate the minifix housing 180 degrees. Attach board 3. Rotate the minifix housing 180 degrees. Pick board 4 and place it flat on boards 2 and 3. Tighten it with the given screws using screwdriver. Pick board 5 and attach it vertically to board 6. Rotate the minifix housing 180 degrees. Make sure the smooth side of the boards are on the same side. Now place board 7 flat on board 5. Rotate the minifix housing 180 degrees. Pick board 8 and place it flat on boards 6 and 7. Make sure the smooth side of the boards are on the same side. Rotate the minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. Turn the unit upside down and place board 9 flat on board 6 and 7. Tighten it with the given screws using screwdriver. Make sure the rough side of the boards are on the same side. Pick board 11 and attach it to board 10. Tighten it with the given screws using screwdriver. Attach board 12 to board 10. Rotate the minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. Attach board 13 to board 10. Rotate the minifix housing 180 degrees. Slowly turn the unit upright and place board 14 flat on board 11, 12, and 13. Rotate the minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. Now carefully turn the unit upside down and place board 15 flat on 12 and 13 boards. Tighten it with the given screws using screwdriver. Now arrange all the fixed units as shown and attach them with the given screws using screwdriver. Make sure the smooth side of the boards are on the same side. Pick boards 16, 18, and 19. Attach the bushes. Attach board 17 to board 16. Rotate the minifix housing 180 degrees. Attach board 18 to board 16. Rotate the minifix housing 180 degrees. Attach board 19 flat on boards 17 and 18. Rotate the minifix housing 180 degrees. Make sure all the bushes are on the same side. Pick board 20, 21, and 23. Attach the bushes. Attach board 21 to board 20. Rotate the minifix housing 180 degrees. Attach board 22 to board 20. Rotate the minifix housing 180 degrees. Attach board 23 to board 21 and 22. Rotate the minifix housing 180 degrees. Make sure all the bushes are on the same side. Pick the bottom frame and attach to the already fixed unit, ensuring the M6 screws are perfectly mounted in the minifix housing and the dowels are properly inserted in its hole. Rotate the minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. Tighten with the given screws using screwdriver. Rotate the minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. Attach the bushes with the given screws using screwdriver. Fold the soft close hinges and carefully flip the unit. Place the backboards 24, 25, and 26. Make sure the screw holes is perfectly aligned and tighten them. Carefully place board 25 and 26 in the position shown. Now turn the unit upright. Pick board 28 and 29 and attach the slider part. Pick board 27 and attach the magnetic catcher. Attach board 28 and 29 to board 27. Rotate the minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. Place board 30 flat on boards 28 and 29. Make sure rough side of the boards are on the same side and tighten it with the given screws using screwdriver. Attach board 31 on the rough side of the boards 28, 29, and 30. Tighten it with the given screws using screwdriver. Now slowly slide in the drawer in its place. Repeat the same process for another drawer. Attach the shelf support L-plug on all four sides equally. Slowly tilt the board 32 and place it on the pins. Pick board 33 and attach the magnetic catcher. Open the soft hinges and attach board 33 with the given screws using screwdriver. Open the soft hinges and attach board 34. Your product is ready to use.